Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHIP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious. Quite the crazy movement today. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green and red line annotation are coming from. But I mean, I think that this thing actually gapped all the way down here and has since recovered very nicely. I mean, both these levels that I've talked about still do pertain, but I just get the feeling like more updates here need to be adjusted. So what I'm going to do as the first update is just adjust this level of resistance up here to 16.5 cents, as there's very clearly a lot of upwards momentum. I realize I'm totally stating the obvious when I say that, but again, when you stop to think about the price started off there, it has now been working its way upwards. Like I said, I think it makes a little bit more sense now to just adjust that level of resistance upwards and put more of a focus up there at 16.5 cents. So in my mind, that's going to be the next key overall level of resistance to watch going into Tuesday and then the foreseeable future. And then as far as supports are concerned, I'm going to just stay strong on that one. 14 cents, I would argue, is a very important level of support now going forward. The reason for that being, and I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but the reason, like I said, I would consider this very important, is if the price were to come down to 14 and then just continue on down, well, now all of a sudden what you have is the price right back inside of this range where it already was. And then, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards, well, at least at that point in time, you'd have a situation where you have lows right here, you'd have lows right there, and then you'd have even the low from the open. And if you envision those as stair steps, well, there you go. You got stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. So 14, like I said, still that main level of support for the reasons just discussed. But yeah, as far as making the adjustment, as far as resistances are concerned, 16.5 cents looks to be that key battleground going forward. But anyway, look at it. Monster movement today, crazy volume, and there's definitely going to be a lot of eyeballs on it going into Tuesday. So let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.